Alright, what's up guys? This is going to be part 1 of the build series. We're going to start off by taking all the turbo kit and stuff off, like bumper, intercooler, piping, all that. And then probably drain all the fluids out and get to pulling the motor out. Alright, before I take anything off, I just wanted to show you guys how everything looks as it sits. Well, valve had a leak, so I just rigged that up to get me by. But that's how she sits. Let's get this thing torn apart. You guys are taking our turbo inlet in, taking that pipe off. Some grime in there. That's what you get for not running an air filter. Shaft blade's pretty normal still spins fine. I'll take the bumper off here. I'll put my foot on there, hopefully it doesn't fall. Bumper bolt off. See if I can take this off without scratching it with one hand. Cool. Set that over in the grass. Alright, I guess we can start down here with our coupler off the turbo. We'll take these off, I'll unbolt the intercooler, and then we'll just work our way all the way up to the throttle body. Disconnect all the vacuum lines. I gotta take out the boost by gear. I got it plumbed up into the compressor housing and the wastegate and all that, so I have to take all that out. Alright, we got the intercooler piping, blow-off valve, turbo inlet, and intercooler all off of the car. Next, I'm probably just gonna go around and disconnect all the sensors and vacuum lines and stuff like that. Probably clean up some of this grime that's in here, just so I'm not getting like dirty while I'm working up in here, getting the mounts out and stuff like that. Yeah, I guess we'll see where that takes us. Alright, we got most of these sensors disconnected. We got all the injector plugs taken out, map sensor, TPS, VTEC, got our wideband disconnected out of our downpipe. And now I'm just going to go around and unscrew all grounds, like off the thermostat. We got one down on the frame right here. Where else? We got one over here off the back of the valve cover we got to take off. And then after that, we can just start draining the fluids and I guess getting all the hoses disconnected. Alright guys, so now I'm going to drain the coolant out of there. So at the bottom of the radiator, if you can see this little plastic dial, you're going to want to turn this. Might be a little bit stubborn, but turn that bad boy. So you see your coolant coming out there. Alright, so once you got your plug out, then you grab a little dribble like that. You're gonna want to come up top, get your cap, and open that fully, and you'll be able to see how much more that shoots out once you relieve that pressure. So what I usually do is I'll come over here and kind of squeeze these hoses. This thing should be almost empty. So we'll let that drain out and we'll disconnect all these coolant lines. Alright, so we got our top and bottom coolant hoses off. So now we should just be able to pry these off. There's that one. Now up to our top. These might be a little stuck on here, but just kind of twist and pull them off. There it is. I want to tilt that down. A little bit more coolant coming out of there. Just try to avoid it running all down your fan, kind of like what I just did. Right. I'm gonna take your hoses off of there, and we'll loosen up all these. I don't think I'm gonna film this just because it's kind of hard to get in there, but it's just simple stuff. Flathead screwdriver to take all these off. So we'll get back when those are all done. Alright guys, so we got all of our coolant lines disconnected, and I just went and pulled the majority of the harness out from behind the motor. So it's only been about an hour in, and all we need to do is disconnect our fuel return and fuel into the rail and take these motor mounts off. So let's do that.